everyone, this is Brooke. I'm here in the Clinton Savings Bank studio. Just want to let you all know that we have Amanda and Sophia from Marlborough live at our Shrewsbury branch to announce the name of our huge pig. Take it away, Amanda.
Thanks so much, Brooke. Sophia and I are so excited to be live here at the Clinton Savings Bank in the Shrewsbury branch. We are dying to hear what the name of this adorable pig is.
The name is Penelope, Penny for short.
Yay! Brooke, we cannot thank you for picking Sophia to pick this adorable pig's name. What an amazing contest this was. We can't thank you guys enough. Everyone should be banking with Clinton Savings Bank.
Mom, especially Penelope.
Absolutely. Thanks so much. Back to you, Brooke.
Thanks, Amanda and Sophia. In case you guys missed it, yesterday, Amanda, Sophia, and our president, Bob Paulus, announced the name live on WXLO, the morning radio show. I will play the audio for you guys in case you missed it.
104.5 XLO. We are Jen and Frank live in the Clinton Savings Bank studio. We're excited today. As always, friend of the program, Bob Paulus is with us, the president and CEO of Clinton Savings Bank. We're here for a special occasion. We had a Name the Pig contest at your Shrewsbury location. First of all, it was brilliant, but how did it come about?
Sure, let me tell you a little bit about it. For the past 2 seasons, Clinton Savings Bank partnered with the Woo Sox so that fans could play the Piggybank pursuit game, which involved 2 lucky fans at each game racing towards a 6-by-9-foot piggy bank to see who could put the coins in the bank the fastest. Everyone had a great time, but this year we decided to change things up and keep things fresh and have a new game, so the piggy bank has since been retired. However, a couple of weeks ago, CSB celebrated the 1-year anniversary of our new branch in Shrewsbury. And that celebration included moving the piggy bank to that location where we had a 2-week contest to come up with a name for it because it really didn't have a name. We were fortunate enough to receive many great, funny, and unique suggestions for the name, and we're very lucky to have Sophia here today to tell us about the name that she came up with for CSB's piggy bank.
She was selected as a grand prize winner, and we've seen the pig, Bob.
It's a big pig.
It's a big pig.
Big pink pig.
Handsome. So we didn't know if it was a male or female pig, but I'm guessing the name is going to decide that.
Very good point.
We are going to turn our attention to Amanda and Sophia. Hi, guys.
Hi. So
congratulations.
Good to be here. Thank you.
Where are you guys from?
We are from Marlborough.
Okay.
Okay, now who's going to actually announce the name? Because I have not heard this yet.
Not me. It was her. So I'm going to let my daughter Sophia announce.
All right, Sophia, step on up there.
The name is Penelope.
Oh,
Penelope
that's
the
awesome.
pig.
Yes.
Penelope.
And how did you come up with Penelope?
I've heard the name like a lot of times, and I've always thought it was so cute. And for sure, it can be Penny since you put pennies into a piggy bank.
That.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! So Penelope the pig.
Yeah.
That sounds like a children's book.
It does.
The Adventures of Penelope the Pig.
Yeah.
Sophia, get on that. We need
I will.
we need you to write the book. Now, how old are you?
I'm 15.
Okay, and you go to school. Give your school a shout out.
Marlborough High.
Very nice. Awesome.
Now, we have some gifts for you because you won. I'll start with Bob here first.
Great. Thank you, Frank. Here you go, Sophia. Here's your very own version of Penelope.
And we actually gave you the $104 gift card, Visa gift card, so you can spend that on whatever you want. And then also gift card to Black and White Restaurant and Chopsticks as well.
You. Thank you so much.
Wonderful.
You're welcome.
Well, congratulations. That's really awesome, and we're happy you came here. And as always, we love dealing with Clinton Savings Bank. It's always something fun. And it worked out well for you, huh?
Yeah, it did. Yep.
Now, who are you going to take with you when you spend the restaurant money? She's right next to you. Better say it.
My mom.
Probably her friend.
There you go. And Bob, congratulations to you guys. A year. That went by quick.
It took 5 years to get it built, and it didn't take much long for the first year to go by. So we're having tremendous success here. Happy to be a neighbor of the Market Basket right next door. And it's great to partner with you guys promoting the branch continuously. Thank you very
can't
much.
wait to hear what we're promoting next. Because
Right.
this was a creative, fun promotion that we love talking about. So we got to think of something big.
And a lot of that credit goes to Ellen McGovern and our marketing department.
Yeah,
they come up with the
that's
creative
right.
ideas.
Yeah. Bob, thank you, Sophia, Amanda. Thank you guys coming in from Marlborough.
Thank you so much.
And congratulations. Penelope the pig will be proud.
Love that.
All right.
I'll see you all next week where we're going to be interviewing our mortgage originators. Stay tuned. Thank you.